Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to write automation scripts for repetitive tasks using Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you want to write automation scripts for repetitive tasks, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and your PC, go to Claude AI, and here you have to make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you are on this type interface, like a new conversation or any of your old conversations, here you have to simply type a prompt. You cannot do this actually with write a script or write an automation script. If you want to try this, you will not get the actual response you need. So you just have to create or write a proper prompt for this. I have a small and smart prompt. I'm going to pasting it here. So here you can see I have written a folder of images named random numbers. I want to rename them sequentially like image 1, image 2, image 3 using Python. So you can choose your language here. I'm going to submit. You just have to here enter your requirement or what you want to do. So it will create a Python script for your automation tasks. You just have to wait for it until it's complete. So here's the complete Python automation script you can easily use. So you can also make some changes like folder and your pictures, select them, and after that it will work as well as you want. So in this way you can easily create automation scripts using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.